In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add friends on the Roblox app. Once you've loaded up the Roblox app, it might ask you to log in if you aren't logged in already. Then what you want to do is tap the three horizontal dots with the circle around it at the bottom right hand corner. And then you want to tap over here where it says friends. Then you'll be on the friend screen, and I don't have any friends on my profile, so it is pretty empty, but you have a search function there to search for your friends if you have hundreds of friends on Roblox. But to add a friend, just tap on the magnifying glass there at the top right hand corner. You want to search for the person's username, so I'll just type in dude, hit search. It'll bring you up all the people that have that username, and you want to select your friend that you want to add. So if it's, for example, this person right here, I tap on the little man with the plus next to it on the right, and then a little hourglass will appear, meaning that that friend request is now pending. Once they accept the friend request, it will come here into my friends list, and then I have added a new friend. If this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like on this and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.